Hey guys, ignore the big lump of covers under there. I was so excited to get this on to test it out, just to lay on it and feel how it feels, that I just bunched up the other covers quickly. But guys, I can't believe how soft and cool this is. Oh my word. Guys, this is going to be really nice sleeping. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are checking out this stretch fabric cooling comforter, cooling like no other. Extreme 5. Material is 90% nylon, 10% spandex. Filling is 100% polyester. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Now, due to the size of this, I'm not going to be able to show you. Oh, wow. Wow. That is so soft. Wow. And look at that. Wow. It's super breathable. I mean, look at that. You can see through it, but yet it's so soft. It feels like pure silk. Maybe even softer and more smooth. So, let's go ahead and lay it out. I mean, really nice sleeping. You know, sometimes you come across products that there's not really much to say, and then there's products that you like so much and you don't know how to express it. The only thing I can say is try for yourself. It's so cool. Now, some people like covers that are super hot, but I love covers that are nice and soft and cool, and trust me, this is it. Wow. I've never reviewed another cover that is this soft, smooth, and cool. So as you're laying and you move your hand, it feels like, have you ever had your hand out the window while you're driving and you could feel the different temperature in the air from different areas? When you put your hand on the cover and you move it, it's a world of a difference. So you put it here for a little bit and then you move it. Like, it's so cool. I love that.